So Chief Fluid Systems, we are a fluid conveying products company, so we are considered by many to be the experts in this field of what we do. So hoses, fittings, adapters, nozzles, refueling at sea equipment, military aircraft, refueling adapters and special fittings. That's really where our specialty is. And we've partnered with some of the world's largest and best manufacturers of products like Eaton, HydroSearch, Parker. To name those few companies, they're the big companies, and that's who we represent. We don't take the also-ran products, just the best. The reason we're at Pacific 2019 is that we've been in the shadows, I guess, since our inception. We've never been to a trade show before. Given the level of investment in naval shipbuilding at the moment, we thought it very important that we get our name out there. We're working on the AWD program, we're also working on the LHD program, and a few of the new supply programs, and also the sustainment programs. And we're continually investing back into how we can develop those programs as we go along. One of the things we're working on is trying to do more with less and delivering cost savings back to the Commonwealth or back to the primes. So becoming innovative about how we do things, really. Well, one of the things we're working on is this program here, where we've replaced a system on a ship with this type of hose, which has made it easier for ship staff to use. It's also taken 7 people off flight deck during a refueling operation, and it's made it significantly easier for the people on board to use the system and defuel the helicopters as well. So that's one of the innovations we're working on. Our biggest challenge is really qualified people, which is why we're investing in an apprentice program. We have an existing apprentice, and we're continuing to evolve our apprentice program. And we hope to take those people on board and develop them as we go along, develop our own workforce, really. Opportunities for us are developing our people further. We're also taking our existing staff, and we're through RTO programs, upskilling them as well. So that's an opportunity for us to make ourselves more, more marketable and more beneficial to the programs as we go along. Definitely in the naval sector is where we're aiming at the moment. We are going to branch out as we go along, but definitely Navy is where we're at the moment. Our ability to deliver on new ship programs and also our sustainment is really where we're at right now, and using only the high-end quality products and having the right certifications and the right ability to do all the paperwork is one of the key factors for us. We've got a few formal arrangements in place with many of the primes, and with the SMEs, there's a few of us that tend to work together. I'd say collaborate to get the end result, to make that happen, where we've all got certain skills that we sort of bounce off one another. So there's a small group of us that do that, and we do it really well, very effectively. Really, word of mouth, and through being in the industry for so many years, we sort of have, all evolved or grown up together, and we've all upskilled as we've gone along, and our businesses have changed over the years, and now we all know our skill sets. We can all play that off our strengths and weaknesses. I think my team is special, and that's what makes us so good. We're a team where everybody's like a family. So we all work really well together. We all gel well together. Everybody seems to know what everybody's capable of, and I guess, it's a case of we all work to achieve the end result, and that's what makes us successful.